welcome back to World War II Jeep and Rifle. Another video on this antique gramophone from the U.S. Army. I wanted to talk about needles and parts and stuff like that and give you a great resource to go to if you're new into restoring these or looking for another place to buy parts. I was lucky when I bought this on eBay years ago. It came with an original envelope with some Victor or soft tone steel needles. I've kept that in its place as is. Haven't broken into those. But since I like to play it and I like to listen to it, love the sound, I went online and found a resource for needles that you ought to use if you're looking for one. Gettysburg Antique Phonographs, and here's his eBay information. If you're looking for parts, I can't recommend more this resource, Gettysburg Antique Phonographs. And on eBay, the seller you should look for is cyber_Tigger. You can see that down at the bottom of the left of the screen. That's the seller name for a super guy named Walt Sommers. And if you search on Google for Gettysburg Antique Phonographs, probably the top hit will be this eBay site. And on the site, you'll see all kinds of things available: turntable felt, reproducer parts, diaphragms, needles, and all kinds of hardware, obscure hardware that might be useful for restoring your gramophone or phonograph or Victrola, etc. So can't recommend anything more than this. This is outstanding, and it's where I got a whole bunch of soft tone needles. Thanks for listening. See you guys next time.